I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Now look at me at 2:45. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Formosafantasy, and today we're gonna be doing another makeup tutorial. But it's gonna be like makeup therapy, so I'm not gonna be talking or really telling you what I'm doing. I'm just gonna be playing some music, and yeah, so let's just jump right into the video.
I've been making moves like a ninja. I could play it cool like I'm winter. I can make it rain like a cash tsunami. You wanna slip and slide, we can link up.
I just gotta move on. Going back again, going wait. Days, open my door.
I dare you to fix me. I'm crossing the line again, falling on my knees.
Stay tuned for part 2.
No stranger to pain. It's never ending. It's only
Jesus, take the wheel, take it from my hand, 'cause I can do this all my own. I'ma let it go. Give me one more chance, yeah. Save me from this road I'm on. Jesus, take the wheel. Oh, take it from me. Coming home to see your mama and daddy and the baby in the backseat. 15 miles to go, she was running low. Faith and gasoline. It's been a long, hard year. She had a lot in her mind and she didn't pay attention. She was going way too fast. Before she knew, she was standing on the. She saw both lies flash before her eyes. She didn't even have time to cry. She was so scared. She put her hands up in the air. I've tried to go on like I never knew you. I'm awake and my world is half asleep. I've prayed for this heart to be unbroken, but without you all I'm going to be incomplete.
something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this pain, am I completely betrayed?
I Just think of you inside of my private thoughts. Can't imagine you touching my private parts. Just one night at all night. Put it again, and again, and again, and again. You know I want you so bad, baby, baby, baby. Oh, 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 I get so high when I'm around you, baby. I can't touch the sky. You make my temperature rise.
I know you're waiting till the morning comes my back. I just wanna be alone to feel free tonight.
Ooh, I get so high when I'm around you, baby. I can't touch the sky. You make my temperature rise. Ooh, you know I really want you. But baby, take me away. Ooh, you know I really want you.
There's no air left to breathe. I'm drowning. Vultures are circling me. Around it, I need to fight. I know it's just so hard to let it go.
Say you love me again. Undo this hurt comes when you walked out the door and walked out of my life.
Go, shine a light I can see. Something I can't forget. My
Take back the sand was the right. Bring back the joy to my life. Nights are cold without you here beside me. Unbreak my heart. Say you love me again. Without you, I just can't go on. Cracks is turning. The cracks are many.
heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving. Admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I completely betrayed?
How's my baby? You don't know how good it feels to call you my man. Loving everything you do.
Something I can't forget. My heart won't let it rest, but you keep on forgiving.
My way, You don't hear me. There goes my baby. Ooh, boy, look at you. You don't know how good it feels to call you my man. Which one don't?
Oh, admit that I'm afraid. If I let go of this rage, am I complicitly betraying my heart, my love, my life, the price? It's hard to fight.
When a train is feeling for nothing. Thank you guys so much for staying true to the end. I really hope you guys enjoyed me singing for you. I know this video is a bit different, but yeah. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my socials, and until next time, mwah, bye beauties.